Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for breakfast cookies. So my kids aren't really big breakfast people, and so I thought it would be nice for them to just have something that is very filling, very good as a breakfast substitute that they can have in the mornings, and also that they can take with them on the way to school. So this is more of a back to school kind of a recipe. So let's get started. Lots of healthy ingredients today. We need 1.5 cups or 190 grams of flour, 2.5 cups or 225 grams of oats, 2 teaspoons baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1 cup or 250 grams of peanut butter, a half a cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 2 mashed bananas, 2 finely chopped apples, half a cup or 80 grams of chocolate chips. In a large mixing bowl, combine peanut butter and bananas with a spoon. You can use a mixer for this recipe, but it's not necessary. Stir in apples. You can shred the apples. I chose to finely chop them to allow for bigger pieces. It's a matter of taste. Stir in egg. Stir in baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and vanilla. Stir in flour and oats. The dough should be fairly thick. Fold in chocolate chips. Spoon dough onto lined baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. These breakfast cookies are full of texture with the apples, oats, and chocolate chips. You can taste the peanut butter and banana, but they're not too sweet. We keep them in the fridge to help them last longer. My kids love them and often have them for breakfast or just as a snack between meals. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.